डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है अब। कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर refers to the conservation of all those resources that are formed naturally without any kind of help from the human beings. These include water, air, sunlight, land, forest, minerals, plants, as well as animals. Together, all these natural resources make life worth living on Earth. Life would not be possible without air, water, sunlight, as well as other natural resources present on the planet. It is thus essential to conserve these resources in order to keep the environment intact. Here is a look at the kind of natural resources present on Earth and the ways to conserve these renewable resources. These are resources such as air, water, and sunlight that replenish naturally. Non renewable resources. These are resources like fossil fuels and minerals that do not replenish or form very slowly. Biotech. These come from living beings and organize organic materials like plants and animals. Abiotic These are derived from non living things and non organic material. These include air, water, and land, as well as metals like iron, copper, and silver. Natural resources are also divided into categories such as actual resources, reserve resources, stock resources, and potential resources based on their development stage. Conservation of nature is a subject that requires serious attention. Most of the resources of nature are depleting at a fast rate. This is because the demand of these resources is high while the rate of their formation is low. However, it needs to be understood that nature has given us abundance of all that we require be require using the available natural resources wisely and must empty employ the below mentioned methods to conserve these limit usage water and electricity are two things that are being wasted the most. It is essential to understand the importance of saving both these. Use only as much water as you require. Same goes for electricity. Use the electric appliances wisely and turn them off when they are not in use. Similarly, the use of the other resources such as paper, petroleum, and gases must also be restricted. Recycle. There are a lot of things such as paper, cardboard, metal, tin, aluminium, foil, glass, bottles, plastic containers, as well as water that can be recycled and reused. Replenish nature, plant more than and more trees to make up for those that are cut for manufacturing paper, furniture, and other items made of wood. Also ensure cleanliness around your area. Do not throw waste products in water bodies and elsewhere. Spread awareness. Lastly, spread as much awareness as you can about the importance of conservation of nature. The consumption of natural resources has far exceeded their production. It is the duty of each one of us to stop wasting these gifts of nature and start using them wisely so as to maintain ecologically balance on earth. Full stop.